In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a club on chess.com. By the end, you'll have a clear step-by-step path to launch your own community and start bringing players together. First, log into your chess.com account. On the left sidebar, hover over the social icon, the one with the speech bubbles. If you don't see that, you can also use the Connect tab at the top. From the menu that appears, choose Clubs. This takes you to the Clubs page, where you'll find a Create Club button, usually in the top right corner or along the right sidebar. Click that to begin. Now you'll fill out your club details. Start with a club name. It needs to be unique and follow chess.com's naming guidelines, so avoid misleading or offensive terms and be ready to adjust if your first choice is already taken. Next, add a picture and a background. You can upload JPG, PNG, or GIF files. A clear square logo often looks best for the club picture, and a larger high contrast image works well as a background. Then write a concise, welcoming description that explains your club's purpose and who should join. This helps people know what to expect and encourages the right members to apply. Choose up to 3 categories that best fit your club, like learning, social chatting, or OTB club. Categories help your club appear in the right searches and recommendations. Move on to the settings. For privacy, pick whether your club is open to anyone or exclusive, which requires admin approval to join. Open clubs grow quickly but may need more moderation. Exclusive clubs give you more control over membership. Under Activities, enable the features you plan to use: daily or live matches for team competitions, tournaments if you want to host bracketed events, and vote chess if you want members to collaborate on moves as a team. Consider what your community will actually play so your activity feed stays lively. In advanced options, you can set up private forums or news posts. Private forums are great for internal discussions, while news helps you announce events, results, or updates. Before finishing, take a moment to review everything. Make sure your name, images, description, categories, and settings match your goals. When you're satisfied, click Create. Your club is now live. From here, you can invite members directly or let players discover your club through search and categories. Keep your description clear, post a welcome message or news update, and enable the activities you're ready to run. You can always revisit settings later as your community grows.